Hello student, welcome to next lecture for algebra. Today we will discuss some examples of equivalence relations and how to find the equivalence classes of element of the given set X. The definition of equivalence class: if this relation be an equivalence relation, define non-empty set X, then if X belongs to X and we define this set as set of all Y belongs to X where X is related to Y. If the relation R is equivalence relation, that means it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, defined on a non-empty set capital X, then we find the equivalence class of element small x belongs to capital X by using this definition. Set equivalence class of X is set of all Y belongs to X where X is related to Y. We find all the elements of set X which are related to X under the given relation. We can find equivalence classes of elements of the set X only if the relation R is equivalence relation. We see one example. Define a relation on R2 by x1 y1 is related to x2 y2 if and only x1 square plus y1 square is equal to x2 square plus y2 square. Is R equivalence relation? Define a relation R on a set R2 by this condition: x1 y1 related to x2 y2 if and only if x1 square plus y1 square equal to x2 square plus y2 square. Is the relation equivalence relation? Find the equivalence class of if yes, find the equivalence class of zero zero and equivalence class of AB. We are defining a relation on R2 by the points in R2 are in the form of ordered pairs. Consider two elements of R2, means we consider two ordered pairs of set R2 in this form x1 y1 and x2 y2. These are two elements of R2. We are defining relation on R2 by these two elements are related if and only if x1 square plus y1 square means coordinates of first elements. Satisfying this condition, x1 square plus y1 square, this is the first element x1 y1 of R2. The second element is x2 y2. That satisfying this condition, x2 square plus y2 square. Coordinates of these 2 points satisfying this condition, then only they are related. Then we have to determine whether the relation is equivalence relation or not. If it is equivalence relation, then we find equivalence class of 0, origin 0, 0 and the other point AB. We check whether the relation R defined on set R2 is reflexive or not. To check whether it is reflexive, consider the ordered pair XY belongs to R2. This is the element of set R2. We check whether this element is related to itself or not. For that, we require this condition. As the coordinates of this point satisfying x square plus y square is equal to x square plus y square. The sum of squares of coordinates of this point in R2 is same as this sum. By using this definition, we say that ordered pair xy is related to ordered pair xy. Elements of set R2 are in the form of ordered pairs. We are checking whether every element of set R2 is related to itself or not. For that, consider one element of the set R2. That element is in the form of ordered pair and it satisfying this condition. X square plus y square equal to x square plus y square implies that if we use x1 y1 as xy and x2 y2 is equal to xy, then we get this condition. This implies these ordered pairs xy and xy are related. Hence, every element of set R2 is related to same element. Therefore, the relation is reflexive relation. Hence, this relation is reflexive. In second step, we check whether it is symmetric or not. Let if the ordered pairs x1 y1 is related to x2 y2. When these two pairs are related, if they satisfy this condition, that is x1 square plus y1 square is equal to x2 square plus y2 square. Okay, we write this as, we can also write this equation as x2 square plus y2 square equal to x1 square plus y1 square. What this imply? If x1 square plus y1 square equal to x2 square plus y2 square, then ordered pair x1 y1 is related to x2 y2. Here x2 square plus y2 square is equal to x1 square plus y1 square. Hence x2 y2 is related to x1 y1. Therefore, if the element x, suppose this is x, is related to y, then we have y related to x. Therefore, R is symmetric relation. Hence, if x1 y1 related to x2 y2, this implies then x2 y2 is related to x1 y1. Hence, this given relation is symmetric relation. On R2. Now we check whether it is transitive or not. Consider the elements x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 belongs to R2. These are three elements of set R2, and if x1 y1 is related to x2 y2 and secondly x2 y2 is related to x3 y3. When these two ordered pairs are related, if this satisfies this condition, That is, if x1 square plus y1 square is equal to x2 square plus y2 square. This first element is related to second if and only the coordinates of first point satisfying this condition, x1 square plus y1 square is equal to square of coordinates of second point, x2 square plus y2 square. And also we have these two elements are related, therefore their coordinates satisfying this condition, x2 square plus y2 square is equal to x3 square plus y3 square. If we call this equation number first and this as equation number 2, then from first and second, from equation 1 and 2, this x1 square plus y1 square is same as x2 square plus y2 square, and this sum is same as x3 square plus y3 square. That is, x1 square plus y1 square is equal to x3 square plus y3 square. From this condition, we say that x1 y1 is related to x3 y3 because the coordinates of these 2 points x1 y1 and x3 y3 satisfying the condition x1 square plus y1 square equal to x3 square plus y3 square. Therefore they are related. Hence, if x is related to y, suppose x point is x1 y1 in R2, y point is x2 y2 in R2, and z point is x3 y3. If x is related to y and y is related to z, then we proved x is related to z. Hence, R is transitive relation. Therefore, R is transitive. Hence, the given relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Hence, it is equivalence relation. Therefore, R is an equivalence relation on set R2. If it is equivalence, then question is find the equivalence class of 0, 0. The equivalence class of 0, 0 is the set of all ordered pairs xy where 0, 0 is related to xy. In given example, in relation R is defined by ordered pair x1 y1 related to x2 y2 if and only x1 square plus y1 square is equal to x2 square plus y2 square. Here we are considering two ordered pairs or two elements of set R2, 0, 0 and xy. They are related if they satisfy this condition. That is, set of all points xy where 0 square plus 0 square, this is x1 square plus y1 square is equal to x square plus y square. This is what set of all points xy where x square plus y square equal to 0. We have the equation x square plus y square equal to 0 and we want its solution in real numbers. X and y are real numbers that are satisfying this equation x square plus y square equal to 0. The only possible real numbers x and y are 0, 0 because square of any negative real number is positive, square of also second real number is positive, sum of two positive real numbers is 0, hence each number is 0. This x square is also 0 and y square is also 0. This is the sum of two positive real numbers and it is equal to 0, hence both the numbers should equal to 0. That numbers are x square, hence we have x square equal to 0 and y square equal to 0. From that we get x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. This is equal to singleton set 0, 0. The equivalence class of 0, 0 contains only origin. These are the coordinates of origin and this is equivalence class of 0, 0. Where this class contains set of all points in R2 that are related to 0, 0 only. These points related to 0, 0 if they satisfy the given condition defined in the example. Coordinates of first point satisfy the condition x1 square plus y1 square equal to x2 square plus y2 square. From that we get x square plus y square equal to 0. This is the square of two positive real numbers is equal to 0. Hence each number should be equal to 0. Hence x square 0, y square 0. From that x and y both are 0. Now we find equivalence class of AB. If A and B are two real numbers, then we find equivalence class of this point in R2. This is equal to, the definition of equivalence class is, this is the set of all elements x, y in R2 where ordered pair AB is related to x, y. This is equal to set of all ordered pair x, y where these two elements are related if and only their coordinates satisfying this condition a square plus b square is equal to x square plus y square. Since a, b are two real numbers which are fixed real numbers, hence a square plus b square is a constant real number. This is equal to set of all ordered pair x, y where x, suppose this a square plus b square is r square is equal to x square plus y square where a square plus b square is equal to r square. As AB is one point in R2 means A and B are fixed real numbers, hence sum of their squares is also fixed real number. A square plus b square is constant, say it is r square. Hence we have the set of all points x, y in R2 that satisfying this condition. But this is the equation of circle. X square plus y square equal to r square is the equation of circle having center at origin and radius r. See, if we consider radius r and center of the circle is at origin, suppose this radius is r, then the set of all points on this circle, set of all points on this circle having radius r and center at 0 are these points, because these points satisfying this equation. This is the equation of the circle whose center is at origin and radius is r. Therefore, the equivalence class of AB is equal to set of all points on the circle of radius r and center at 0. Where r is equal to square root of a square plus b square, because we considered r square is equal to a square plus b square, hence r is equal to square root of a square plus b square. Hence this relation r is equivalence relation. We calculated the equivalence class of 0, 0. Only the element 0, 0 belongs to equivalence class of 0, 0, and the element which is non-zero, if a and b, either a or b is not equal to 0, then we get the equation of circle. Then we get the set of all points in R2 that satisfying the equation of circle, that is the standard circle, that is the circle with center at 0, 0 and radius is r.